Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Brett's RV and Marine here in beautiful and sunny Missoula, Montana. Dave here, and behind me, check this out. This is a 2023. This is an Ember RV Touring Edition. This ought to be a good one. Let's get started.
Hey there, I'm Mason with Brett's RV and Marine, and standing here I have the Ember ROK. This is going to be the rear outside kitchen. It's a couple of cool features, right? So we have independent suspension for when you want to go off-grid. It's lightweight, so you can tow it with your Jeeps. You're going to have your quick drop stabilizers, and then you have your built-in wheel chuck. Check this thing out. It's super sweet. So you pull your pin, go up, and then this guy's going to go in the center of your tire, and then press it in. So it's going to be a built-in wheel chock. You can also pin it. It acts as like a stop for people stealing it. Move that guy back. Couple of cool features. It's going to have a fully laminated transcore floor. So a lot of people that are familiar with this is going to be your Airstream floor. It's also 2 inches thicker. So it's fully laminated transcore. Small enough for you and whoever you're taking with. You got your side AC. Kayak racks up top with your full-size spare tire. Moving around the back side, this is why we call it the ROK, because it's the rear outside kitchen. So you're gonna have your Camco fridge, nice little TV for watching March Madness. You're gonna have your griddle, and then all of your Ember series is gonna come with the tow hitch. Not really a tow hitch, it's rated for about 300 pounds, so you can put, bikes. You have your propane quick connect. Follow me along this side here. Like I said, quick drop stabilizers. You're going to have your water connections here. A little outside shower. Bring dogs with you. Moving up this way. Nice storage. Thick baggage doors. You don't see that a ton on travel trailers. Moving up front, you got your other locker, which is just going to be storage. You can put batteries and such in here. And then on the other side, we're going to have our propane tanks. Boom. Up front, we're gonna have our European acrylic dual pane window. This guy's gonna be about 13 feet long, 9.5 feet tall. Once again, thanks for watching. This is the Ember ROK series. You can visit us at our website, brettsrvandmarine.com, or you can call in and ask for Mason. Thanks for watching.